Hello, Arizona residents, and those of you who are planning to move to Arizona. I want to talk to you about getting an FHA loan or the FHA loan requirements in the state of Arizona. Now, the FHA requirements are similar in all states. The only thing you might find that might be different will be the loan limits within each county in the state of Arizona. And I'll get to that in just a moment. But first, let's talk about the basic requirements. FHA loans are the type of mortgage where you have to fully document your income, show your assets, and you need to have a 2-year work history. So when we talk about 2-year work history, you can be a W-2 wage earner, you can be self-employed, and it's okay if you've changed jobs. If you're talking to a lender who says you must be in the same job for the past 2 years, then let us help you, because that's not a true FHA requirement. When it comes to being self-employed, you absolutely need to have your business for 2 years, or you could have been self-employed and then transition to a W-2 job, and if it's in the same field, that can qualify as a 2-year work history for you. You're going to have to document your assets, so your copies of your bank statements, 401k, stock portfolio, anything else like that can help to bring additional assets to the table when it comes to your loan application, because the more liquid assets you have, the stronger a buyer or borrower that you are in the eyes of the lending underwriter. You cannot have a recent bankruptcy, a recent Chapter 7, and if you do, you can get an FHA loan after 2 years. You can, however, be in the midst of a Chapter 13 bankruptcy after you've made your first 12 payments on time. You could then get a Chapter 13 or after Chapter 13 mortgage, FHA loan mortgage, although a lot of lenders will not work with you until you've got 2 years after, or one year after your Chapter 13 discharge. We can help you without having to wait. Let's go back to the FHA loan limits. So let's say you're in Maricopa County, and every year the FHA individuals that set the loan limits will look at the average home sales in your county for the prior 12 months, and they've got a formula where they determine the maximum loan amount for an FHA loan in your county for a single-family home, a duplex, 2-unit, 3-unit, and 4-unit. And there are base loan limits that apply to the majority of the counties throughout the United States, but there are some counties where it's a little bit more expensive to live in, and they will set those counties as having higher limits. And that just means that your maximum loan amount, if you qualify for an FHA loan in that county, will be higher. You can get an FHA loan for, not only a single family home up to a 4-unit, but also a condo, a townhouse, a mobile home. All those things are available to you. You can also get not just a straight purchase, but you can qualify in Arizona for the FHA 203k rehab loan, which allows you to purchase a home that's not exactly what you want, or may be in disrepair, or maybe it's in good shape, but you just want to add an addition or change the paint and the flooring and update the kitchen, all these different things. You can do that with the 203k rehab loan, and what that means is you're going to purchase the house with 3.5% down, and you'll also be able to purchase include in your loan amount, borrow in your loan the amount needed to do the updates or repairs. So that's an attractive program that you could utilize, because then after you close, you don't have to come out of pocket to make all those different updates. And then you're also not asking the seller to do it and having a combative negotiation with the seller, because you say you want this, you prefer that they take care of this, and they don't want to take care of it, they want to fix it. With the FHA rehab loan, you don't have to fix it at closing. You can do it post-closing, and you can negotiate a lower price, so that way you can take care of it later and have it financed with a loan. Okay, so now you also have the FHA one-time close construction loan in Arizona, where you can purchase the lot and also build the house all with one loan. You can do it with a mobile home, manufactured home, a prefab house where it's trucked in sections and put together on your foundation on the property. These are just examples of some great programs that are available. If you already own your home, you can do the FHA Streamline Refinance. If you have an FHA loan, you can get a Streamline Refi if the rates have come down without having to show any income documentation, and your credit scores will not prevent you from getting the loan. They'll just be used to decide what rate you get. So these are the basic requirements to qualify. Now, then you also have mortgage insurance. You're always going to have FHA mortgage insurance, an upfront premium, and also a monthly one. And this is just for the life of the loan. There will never be, you can never get rid of FHA mortgage insurance unless when you purchase the house or when you refinance, you have at least 10% equity. Then if that's the case, you can get rid of the mortgage insurance after 11 years. So if you're curious about what else it takes to qualify or just want to speak to someone, definitely reach out to us at FHALenders.com. I'm going to link down below to our Arizona page where you could find out more information and also get in touch with us so you can have a conversation or get pre-approved. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a great day.